Hello YouTube. Hey, Blade Brothers here, doing another unboxing video. Had this on order and just received it. Actually, I think some of our viewers have commented, do I have any Fox type of karambits? So this one is the Fox, but it is still a Bastinelli collaboration. I think I just like their overall designs, I guess, compared to the traditional Fox ones. So this one is the Bastinelli 591 Blackbird with G10 handles. So out of the box, comes with a little tool and an extra screw for the probably the clip. And it comes with a warranty card. But let's get down to the knife itself. Okay, so several things to point out. I really like the wire style clips. I think I made a comment about this in when I did the video with the Mako, which is also a Fox and Bastinelli collaboration. But these are actually just less damaging to your clothing when you actually clip it. So compared to like the solid piece type of pocket clips. And then this is also with the Bram Frank Kinetic opening mechanism. And I actually, if I zoom in here, you can even see that. There we go. So it has a patent. It's a patented design for this opening. So it functions like a wave, Emerson wave. But I actually like the Bram Frank Kinetic ramp more than the wave, because sometimes the finishing on a wave can get a little bit damaging to the hem or seam of my pocket sometimes. But I haven't had any issues with the Kinetic opening ramp here. So quite nice. As I mentioned previously, so G10 handles right here. Very smooth and rounded retention ring. And then here's the blade. So made in Italy, and you can see here the logo Fox Bastinelli, and it's a N61 690 CO type of steel. So that's the model number, FX591. Relatively light. I think it's 3.6 ounces, so definitely on the lighter side. So it makes for a very fast and very agile movement, very flowing. Overall curvature of the hawkbill blade is very nice. It has a nice crescent to it, and you can tell by the tip it's quite sharp. Get a piece of paper here. Yeah. Yep. So yeah, and it is a liner lock. Let me see if I can zoom in here. So it's properly centered. There's no give on the blade. Very nice design. Yeah. So the Fox Bastinelli Blackbird. 591 Blackbird. Very nice. Yeah. If you're in a market for a karambit, this is not a bad choice. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely like and subscribe to our channel. This is Blade Brothers signing off. Thank you so much.